Wagwan massive, you don't know, say your girl Whitney. And from you see me by myself, you know I'm up to something. But this time, it's not on Jessie, it's on my brother. And it's not a prank, guys. I know you see that by the thumbnail and, you know, the title. So, my brother's birthday is Valentine's Day, the 14th of February. And so I wanted to do something really nice for him. It's my only brother, y'all. I only have one sibling, okay? And that's him. And he's been doing really good, you know what I'm saying, overall, not just in school. And when I say that, I mean it. Like, he stays out of trouble, you know what I'm saying? All he does is play football, talk on his phone, play video games, and do his schoolwork. That's it. Like, you can't really ask for more, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like that's good enough for me, and I know it is for my parents too. He's not getting into trouble or anything like that. He's not in a gang, you know what I'm saying? It could be way worse, especially in nowadays, like, society and all that. Like, I really am thankful that he is not like that. He pretty much stay to himself. He pretty much just stays to himself, and I like that about him. I'm the same way, you know, and it's just how we were raised also. Like, we just was raised to, you know, just stick to ourselves and, you know, not try to, I don't know how to explain it. I just know that's how we were brought up, and that's how we are. And I really, like, I'm just happy that he is the way that he is, you know. And so I wanted to do something special for him, because y'all know he's here, you know, spending some time with me. And I don't get to spend time with my family a lot like I would want to, because most of my family lives in Jamaica, as you guys already know. So I just wanted to do something special for him. So right now, Jessie just took him to the gym, because he likes working out with Jessie. So he just took him to the gym to distract him, so I can be here by myself to set up. And we gonna surprise him today with a little mini, you know, birthday party. It's not nothing huge. It's just us, and the family's gonna be on video call, because of course they can't be here, pandemic, and then some of them are like in Jamaica. So I just thought that I would do something really nice, and, you know, yeah. So I'm about to start, like, setting up and everything, and y'all finna see. So stay tuned, but don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. All right. So guys, my battery died on me, so I had to swap that out real quick. Now I'm about to set the table with the cake and everything. So yeah, this is what it looks like so far. That's all I got done. I was gonna spell out his entire name, but they didn't have some of the letters, so I just spelled out the first three, which I call him that anyway. So Alright, y'all, so this is his last gift, and I did a suckish job wrapping it, but I did my best. And I'm gonna have him open this one last because I know that this is the one that he really wants. He don't know that he getting any of this, like the surprise, the presents, none. He think that I'm not getting him anything, so I'm excited. Alright guys, so I am finished. Right now I'm just gonna like come in closer to give you guys, you know, a closer look at the final touch and everything. But I think I did pretty good, you know. Look, I went with gold and black because he's a male. I just feel like, you know, black is a male color. And I had got the blue, and so, but I didn't think about it until afterwards. I started getting all this gold, black, and silver stuff, you know, about the bags and stuff. But that is the finished look, y'all. How you think I did? Please tell me in the comment section below what y'all think. If you think you girl did her little thing, you know what I'm saying, just let me know. But yeah, I am gonna cut the camera off right now because I gotta call my family and set up the video chat so that we can surprise him when he walked through the door. And then I'll cut the camera back on once everything is all set up. So as you can see, I got my family on the screen. So as soon as he walk in, we're gonna shout surprise, and trust me, he not expecting this. I promise. So I'm just gonna take everybody off mute real quick. Hold on. Hold on, him downstairs, him downstairs, him downstairs. Put on the phone pan black. Put on the phone pan black. Hold on, hold on, hold on. You hear what I say? What you want me say? Alright, them a come, them a come, them a come, them a come. Turn down on the phone, turn down on the phone. Turn down on the phone, turn down on the phone. Turn down your phone, mommy. Just put your phone on something. Just rest it down front way. The boy, yeah?
Voila. Voila. Yeah. I'm married yet.
Hold this baby. Thank you. Surprise! I didn't know that this all go on. Da! 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 Yeah! Catch you! Bro, tell the truth. You never know. You never know. But don't tell him I know what. Yeah, you sleep on the whole day. Y'all, he did not know. I'm finna light his candles so the family can sing happy birthday and he can open his presents. Yeah. Mommy. Devonte. Babe, you see it? It's twitching. It's dynamite. Come on, we finna sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Devonte. Happy birthday. Alright, 1 and a 2 and a 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Devonte. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? 19. Say. How old are you now? Happy birthday, Devonte. Happy birthday to you. Blow, take your uncle, brother. Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Make a wish.
What? Man, powerful.
Watch out.
What? It come back? Blow it again. Blow it again. Hold on.
I gave him the candle.
Blow it again. Blow it
Tried to blow the
again.
candle out, it came back on, y'all.
Blow the candle again, now, brother. Come now, man.
Try it again.
Blow it again, brother. Blow it again. Yeah. Yeah. It don't know. It come back. This again. One more time and it done. And last time. Yeah.
Sure, yeah, virgin now.
Alright, it done. See that? Watch out, it come back. My right foot. Alright, see there. Boy, ready for open present? You know bust the champagne first. Where you say? You know get them birthday, yeah? Oh God, you make me one ball. Man said not get them birthday, yeah? Show them what you got. Show them what you got. What you got? What you got? What you got? What you got? Some Didas. Some Didas. Some Didas. Man, get some Didas. Yeah. Didas. At again. Let me hold it. Or you can put it back behind the table. How you feel about the shoes? He like them. That's the ones he said he liked. I'm gonna get it for you. No, make it stay light. It's ambiance. Yeah. Got to. Matching top, Didas, what that? Didas, yeah. Watch it, yeah. Yeah. The next shirt, yeah. See it, yeah. Yeah. Eat that. Didas again. Yeah. Now football shirt that. Yeah. I know. Yeah. I'm gonna get you a do-rag. So you don't have to use them something there again. Yeah. Watch it. Yeah. Man, get our pants. Yeah. See that? Yeah. All the way. Yeah. Watch it. Yeah. Oh, you're welcome. Watch out. Last one I'm drunk. Yeah. See it there? Catch the last one. Man, ready for that one now? Yeah. Me a video with my mommy. Yeah. I wonder what is. What is? Yeah. What in there? Make we see now.
Only this one.
What you got there, bro? You got you a PS4? What you got there, bro? You got you a PS4? Yeah. What that? Are you controller them? Yeah, yeah. Man's hot. And what that again? Game? Yeah. Call her dirty. Yeah. Man's hot. See it there? See it there? See it there? You welcome. Eh? I think I twist up still. Just twist it up. Yeah. Yeah.
I have never been where you want for your birthday.
Alright, y'all. Thank you so much for watching. One of the family there. Yeah. That's up. Happy birthday, bro. Love you, bro. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And you will have good luck for the rest of the year. Till next time. OMG, y'all. Look at what I walked into. The whole time I'm sitting here planning my brother's birthday surprise, my lovely husband was planning a surprise for me. I am so in love. Look at that.
Y'all know how I get down. Y'all already know.
Let me kiss you.